Yes. Whew, thank you, Mr. Johnson. Well done, David. Very well done. What is payroll? With employee data, attendance, and salary calculation in place, we move to payment processing. Okay, I see how it all connects now. Well done, David. Hours worked 160. Excellent progress. Thanks, Mr. Johnson. Wait, why is my salary less now? Because this is net pay, after deductions. So this is what actually comes in my account. Exactly, what you take home. Mr. Johnson, what is happening to my paycheck? David, let's break down these deductions. First, government taxes. Next, health insurance for your well-being. I got it. Thank you, Mr. Johnson. You're very welcome, David. Our new automated payroll software is streamlining everything. Wow, Mr. Johnson, this is incredible. Look at these savings. Help us grow. Click these. We'd really appreciate it.